2012 GLK Class. Based on the C-Class, the GLK joins the small upscale SUV class. Its smooth 268 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 delivers quick acceleration and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, all-wheel drive, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, fog lamps, passenger airbag, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, panoramic roof, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass, remote window operation. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.